Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Our topic is antibiotics. Antibiotics are special types of medicines, special types of drugs which are obtained and used against bacteria. The medicines which are used for bacterial infections, for bacterial diseases, are called antibiotics. Anti means against, bio means living, ticks mean things. Any substance which is against the living things, in particular the living parasites, means bacteria. The drugs which are used against bacterial infections or bacteria are called antibiotics. There are two types of antibiotics. One type of antibiotics kill bacteria and other type of antibiotics stop, reduce or inhibit the growth of bacteria. There are two modes of action of antibiotics, and depending upon the mode of action, there are two types of antibiotics. One which kill bacteria, which causes the bacteria to die, to be killed, and the other mode of action of antibiotics, and hence the type of antibiotics is that which inhibit, which stop the growth of bacteria. Those which kill the bacteria are called bactericidal antibiotics. Side means killing, bacteria means bacteria. The drugs which kill bacteria are called the bactericidal antibiotics, or simply bactericidal. Bactericidal antibiotics are the antibiotics which kill bacteria, and the antibiotics which inhibit growth of bacteria are called bacteriostatics or bacteriostatic antibiotics. We can use the word bactericidal antibiotics or simply bactericidals, and similarly we can use the word bacteriostatic antibiotics or bacteriostatics. Now we will discuss the types of antibiotics depending upon for how many infections they are used for. Means a particular antibiotics is used for what spectrum of diseases, how much disease can be treated by a single antibiotic. There are two types depending upon the range of diseases antibiotics are used for: the broad spectrum antibiotics and narrow spectrum antibiotics. Broad spectrum antibiotics is a classification of antibiotics which is used to treat broad range, a large range, a very much big range of bacterial infections. Many diseases are treated by broad spectrum antibiotics. As opposite to the broad spectrum antibiotics are narrow spectrum antibiotics. Narrow spectrum antibiotics are used for a very narrow, very small, very less bacterial infections. They are usually used for treating one or two or just a few bacterial infections. Broad spectrum antibiotics are used against many bacterial infections, and narrow spectrum antibiotics are used for very small number of infections.